You've just finished a long day, you're scrolling through your phone, and suddenly a notification pops up, payment failed. A surge of frustration washes over you, and you realize you're locked out of your Vips account. Panic sets in. Now, before you start tearing your hair out, let's get you back into your Vips life. Ever felt like your phone is an extension of your body? That's how crucial apps like Vips have become. It's our digital wallet, our payment portal, and sometimes our lifeline to essential services. But what happens when that lifeline is cut off? When you're staring at that dreaded login screen, feeling like a lost puppy? Let's break down the process of logging into Vips, step by step. It might seem daunting, but trust me, it's simpler than ordering a pizza. First things first, make sure you're using the right app. Yes, it might sound obvious, but you'd be surprised how many of us have accidentally opened a similar-looking app. Vips has a distinct logo, that little green diamond. Ensure you're tapping on the correct icon. Once you're in, it's time to enter your phone number. This is the number linked to your Vips account. Double-check for any typos. A single wrong digit can be a deal-breaker. After inputting your number, you will usually be prompted to enter a verification code. This code is sent to your phone via SMS. Now, here's a common hiccup. The code doesn't arrive. Don't panic. Check your spam or junk folder. Sometimes, these little verification messages hide there like shy introverts. If it's still MIA, most apps offer options to resend the code or use alternative verification methods. Once you've successfully entered the code, you should be greeted by your Vips home screen. A sense of relief washes over you, and you might even do a little happy dance. But wait, there's more. What if you've forgotten your phone number? Or worse, you suspect your account has been compromised. Don't worry, most financial apps have robust security measures. Look for a forgot password or recover account option. You'll likely be asked a series of security questions or to verify your identity through other means. A word of caution, be wary of phishing attempts. Scammers love to prey on people in distress. Never share your personal information with anyone unless you're absolutely certain you're dealing with the legitimate customer support of your app. If you're still facing issues, don't hesitate to contact Vips customer support. They're there to help, and often, a quick chat can resolve even the most stubborn problems. And there you have it. Logging into Vips, demystified. Remember, technology can be frustrating at times, but with a little patience and these tips, you'll be back to your digital wallet life in no time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy Vipping.